The cows and the lions. Five cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together so the lions could not attack them for food. One day, five cows fought and each one started to eat grass in a different place. The lions decided to seize this opportunity and killed them one by one. The moral of this story is unity is the strength. A bird catcher and the pigeons. Once, a flock of pigeons was caught in a bird's catcher net. They tried to free themselves but could not. So they all panicked. There was an old pigeon. He calmed them down and said, "We should not panic if we want to escape from here." The birds calmed down and listened to him. The old pigeon asked them to follow his instructions and said, "We will fly together at the count of three and take this net with us. Just remember to fly together." The bird catcher was coming to take the birds heavy when the unexpected happened. The birds flapped their wings together and flew away with the net. The bird catcher could not do anything. He was shocked to see such a wisdom and unity in birds. The moral of this story is you can achieve anything with unity. We should be calm in difficult situations to overcome them.